Well, it's an early start at Attleborough Auto Centre this morning. Good morning, I'm Danny at Dynodaze, and this one is going on the Dyno today. It's booked on at Donington at the weekend, well next weekend, and he's done a lot of work to it to get it where it needs to be. He's been mainly doing brakes and interior bits and bobs, but it is a fully fledged track car, and apparently it's ready. So after a bit of extensive work this week, it's had things like clutches. What's it had? It's had a clutch, it's had brake bias valve, a few bits and bobs. It's been fully de-stickered this week, or over the past week anyway, and it'll be its first session out under new ownership of Andrew at Attleborough Auto Centre. It's an MG ZR 170, and generally on the Dyno we see these make about, I don't know, about 160 brake, and if they do make 160 brake, they're pretty healthy. It's on coilovers, as you can expect for a track car. Apparently it's going to handle really, really well. It's been set up here at Attleborough Auto Centre, so it's had its geometry done. I won't bore you with all that, you've seen our videos on geometry. And this isn't the only car that's going to get ready this week, or be ready. There's obviously all the Dynodaze lot are going as well. So we'll see what power this puts out. Fingers crossed it's not got any mechanical issues, and then he's gonna, at the end of the day, he's gonna load it up with all the stuff he needs for his track day, and it's gonna sit on the back of his truck ready to rock and roll. But this is it, this is the moment of truth. So she's warming up, ready to go on the Dyno. Attleborough Auto Centre track car. I'm excited. Are you excited, sir?
Oh yes, definitely.
What are we expecting out of it, bro?
It not to blow up.
Okay, well, that's a good target.
Make sure the front. Yeah.
Just saying, this is the moment of truth.
Probably have to put the steering wheel back on for him.
Yeah, I think he's going to need a steering wheel, mate.